Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down unique finds and hidden gems so you know exactly what you're getting. Today, we're taking a look at what might be the best to-do list shirt on the market, the Men's Your Mom To-Do List T-shirt from Crazy Dog T-shirts. Now before you jump to conclusions, yes, the humor is bold, cheeky, and maybe even a little bit offensive. But that's exactly what makes this shirt such a standout. Let's take a deep dive into what you can expect from this shirt, why it's gained attention, and whether it deserves a spot in your wardrobe or gift list. First, let's talk design. The Your Mom To-Do List graphic is printed front and center in bold, crisp, and eye-catching lettering. The phrase is a classic play on words, tongue-in-cheek, sarcastic, and designed to get reactions. Whether you're going to a party, hanging out with friends, or just want to make people double take at the grocery store, this shirt delivers on personality. The color we're showcasing here is Heather Black, Toto, which gives it a casual but stylish look. It pairs easily with jeans, joggers, or shorts, making it a super flexible piece to wear. But what really makes this shirt pop is the balance between edgy humor and wearable design. It's not just funny, it's also well put together. Now let's move on to the fabric and fit. This shirt is made of a soft 60% cotton and 40% polyester blend, giving you the breathability of cotton and the durability of polyester. The material is lightweight yet strong, so you won't feel like you're wearing cardboard. It's also machine washable, no special care required, and the color stays vibrant wash after wash. Fit-wise, it comes in a men's casual regular fit that is cut to accentuate your arms and flatter your midsection, definitely not your typical boxy novelty tee. It's available in sizes all the way from small up to 5X large, so it's inclusive for all body types. The pull-on closure makes it easy to wear without any fuss, and thanks to the ring-spun cotton, it feels soft against the skin. Let's not forget what Crazy Dog T-shirts is known for, their print quality. The graphics here are screen-printed using state-of-the-art equipment right in the USA. You're not getting a cheaply transferred design that peels after one cycle in the wash. This shirt is built to last. Beyond just the shirt itself, let's talk use cases. This is the ultimate gift for the friend who lives off of dark humor. Bachelor parties, gag gifts, white elephant exchanges, birthdays for the guy who always pushes the envelope. This shirt will absolutely hit the mark. It's the kind of shirt that starts conversations, gets laughs, and maybe raises a few eyebrows. But hey, that's half the fun. In the world of novelty T-shirts, there are plenty of designs that go for shock value without any attention to quality. What makes this one different is that it checks both boxes. It's genuinely funny and genuinely well made. You're getting premium fabric, great printing, a flattering cut, and a design that holds nothing back. If you've got a bold sense of humor or you're shopping for someone who does, this shirt is a total win. It's affordable, well-reviewed, and versatile. Whether you're lounging at home or making a statement out on the town, this is one to add to your cart. Maybe even more than one, because these do make great gifts. That wraps up our deep dive on the Men's Your Mom To-Do List T-shirt from Crazy Dog T-shirts. If you like what you saw, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more brutally honest takes from Product Critique. Drop a comment if you'd wear this or give it as a gift, and we'll catch you next time with another product worth your time, or not. Thanks for watching.